Hello everyone, hello friends, how are you doing out there? Great, I guess. Perfect. This is Fashion Boss Innovation online training. This video is to teach us on how to sew a perfect turban cap. I repeat, perfect turban cap. What do you need? You need your scuba. This is called a scuba. It's a stretchy material. You see, scuba. You need your thread and your needle. You need your scissors, and of course your tape roll. Now, in getting your turban cap, you need your head measurements. A default head measurement, I mean an adult head measurement, I mean the head circumference, is between 20, 21 and 22. And how do you measure your head? It's like this. You place your tape rule beneath your head this way, that way, and then you measure to the front. See, 21 or 22. But on this video, I'm going to be using my head circumference. Now, my head circumference is 22. Fashion Boss's head circumference is 22. What do? We'll cut out a 22 inches length. All right, so we've cut out a 22 inches length of material, your scuba material, and the width, I mean the wideness, will be 10 inches. Can you see? 10 inches, 10 inches like this, 10 inches like this. Are you seeing? And a 22 inches length. Good. After doing that, you keep it aside. Then you cut another one of the same length, but at this time it's going to be reduced from 10 inches to 5 inches. Can we see? To be reduced from 10 inches to 5 inches. Can we see? 5. From 10 to 5, it's going to be reduced, but the same 22 inches long. Do we understand? So at this point now, how to sew your turban cap? You will place your turban fabric, the one you've cut out, the longer one, the bigger one, like this. This is the front. You place it like this, and then this band, this is the band, the front band. You place it like this. You fold it like this into 2 inches like this. Unfold like this, it will give you 2.5 inches. Unfold, you see, 2.5 inches when it is unfold, but when you open it, it becomes 5 inches. So unfold like this, it will give you 2.5 inches. 2 inches is for the main band itself. Then half inch rather is what you will use to attach this band to your turban base, like this. Like this. You place it like this, you fold it like this, and then you place it like this, and you sew. Can we see? Like this. You sew it straight up like this. Can we see? Sew it straight up with your needle and thread, or if you have a sewing machine, you can use it. Sew it like this, like this.